What's up, everybody? Here's a challenge you won't want to miss. Making money on YouTube without spending a dime? YouTube's got over 2.5 billion users, which means a planet full of potential viewers and a whole lot of ways to make money. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's unlock the secrets to YouTube's success. First things first, we gotta figure out what you're gonna bless the internet with. Think tech reviews, finance tips, workout routines, gaming walkthroughs, the good stuff that rakes in those views. Don't just chase trends though. Find something you genuinely enjoy because that passion will shine through and make people want to hit that subscribe button. Hold up, you don't need a Hollywood studio to make awesome videos. Your smartphone is your new best friend. Phones shoot in crazy good quality. We're talking HD and 4K. Free tools like DaVinci Resolve or iMovie are here to save the day. Make sure your audio is crisp, your lighting is on point, and your editing is smooth like butter. Alright, listen up because this is where most people drop the ball. Posting once in a blue moon? That's a one-way ticket to YouTube oblivion. Aim for at least 2 or 3 videos a week. The YouTube algorithm rewards consistency. And don't forget about those titles, descriptions, and tags. Use tools like TubeBuddy and VidIQ, they're lifesavers. Time to talk about the big bucks, the YouTube Partner Program. Hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in a year, or 10 million shorts views in 90 days, and you're in. This means you can start raking in that sweet, sweet ad revenue, keep those videos coming, keep the quality high, and watch your channel blow up. Here's a secret weapon: affiliate marketing. Join programs like Amazon Associates, find products that your viewers would actually use, and sprinkle those links in your video descriptions. Someone buys something through your link, boom, you get a cut of the sale. Authenticity is key, my friend. Once your channel starts popping off, brands will be sliding into your DMs like it's nobody's business. Platforms like FameBit and Social Blue Book can help you connect with brands that fit your niche. Only work with brands you believe in, brands that your audience will actually vibe with. Who doesn't love making money while they sleep? That's the beauty of digital products. Create an ebook, an online course, some killer templates, whatever your heart desires, and sell them on platforms like Gumroad and Teachable. It's low overhead, high reward, and the perfect way to diversify your income streams. Platforms like Patreon, Buy Me a Coffee, and Super Chats during live streams are awesome ways to get that extra support from your community. Create some awesome merch t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, you name it, and sell them using print-on-demand services like Teespring and Spreadshirt. It's a great way to build your brand and let your fans rep your channel in style. Once you've got a good rhythm going, it's time to level up. Batch record your videos to save time, outsource your editing to freelancers, and repurpose your content like a boss. Automating tasks and scaling your content will free up more time for you to focus on what you do best, creating awesome content and engaging with your community. And there you have it, folks. Making money on YouTube for free is totally doable, but it takes hustle, creativity, and a whole lot of heart. Be patient, stay consistent, and never stop experimenting. Now go out there and crush it. Peace out.